How to change font size of keyboard on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the settings of your device and then scroll down and then tap on the lock screen, or rather just go back and then tap on display. So here you can see the option of font and text size. So if you want to just change the font size of keyboard, you can tap on text size, and here you can just make the change according to your need. If you want smaller, you can just tap on smaller sizes. If you want bigger, then you can tap on bigger sizes as well, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.